Okay, so let's continue with the documentation of ASAP, which is available on reader.docs.io. You can get to it by clicking on documented on GitHub.
Yeah.
Okay, and here are some more information, and the most important part is how to actually start writing the application. You can see that basic ASAP application looks like this. You will just say that import ASAP, create a new application class that will inherit from the basic application object application class from ASAP, and then you can do some asynchronous tasks. That's it actually. Like and here it states that when you run the file to run the application or create the application and run it. Okay, the important thing about application is that application has a life cycle, and the life cycle consists of three like steps. The first one is init time, the second one is run time, and the third one is exit time. The init time only initializes the application, creates modules, and tell the modules to run if there is something to be run, and then in the main method, which is actually the run cycle, it will say what the application should do. It can do like it can react to events in a cycle. It can register uh, in the time, for example, it can register the web handlers, like for get, for post, some and specify some endpoints, and then it can react in the runtime, and it can like run for infinite time. It doesn't have to do this stop. Okay, but when the application is then stopped by, for example, let's say the user clicks Control C, it means like go to the exit time, and then in the exit time it should like finish all the operations. However, if the user clicks like, for example, Control C 3 times, it will like go to the emergency exit mode. It means that it will like exit right away, but it will like the methods will not be able to finish. The asynchronous methods will not be able to finish themselves. So, for example, if you have some data pump, you will actually lose some data because in this asynchronous world that they will not be processed yet when you like clicked on exit, like emergency exit. So that is why there is this exit time when like this smooth exit, when you just click once Control C or just say stop, it will like go to the exit time and finish everything. The data pumps can like send the remaining data and finish, like smoothly finish. So we will not lose anything. So that's it. And you can like override all those methods that are related to init time, runtime, and exit time. The init time goes to the method initialize, the runtime in the method main, and exit time in method finalize.
Okay.
And you can react to any other coroutine there if it is important. Like, for example, if some coroutine has a dependency to exits, it can wait for the other.
Okay.
So that's it. So maybe we can start by creating a first application. So let's get back to getting started. So let's just create a new file. I will open PyCharm as well. Create a new file. Sub example. I'll just copy this part there. Okay. So please do the same. I will try to run it. Okay, and here it prints hello world.
Give me a second.
Sure.